Alrighty, boys and girls, it's super late. Been up at it way too long. But there it is. So let's see if I can turn it. Here we go. Turn it back. The gears are just glued on there temporarily. I'm sure this footage is going to be amazing. But yeah, success. We've got the stepper motor on there. We are able to control its position, and best of all, it's still got its spring tension. So it's got spring tension plus gears. They're hard to see in there, but you can see the gear back there moving. Let me see if I can get the light in there. This is really difficult. I cannot apparently hold two things at once. Two things at once. Anyway, there's a gear back there. Maybe you can see it from this angle. Wow, this is like the worst video ever, but it's also awesome. So although they're temporarily glued on there, they will be just fine for testing. So lots to do, lots and lots and lots and lots to do, but I got that done. So the top of it has some tape on it there, on that little clip, and then obviously when I try to turn it, it turns. And yeah, stepper motor's on there. There's a tiny bit of play, quite a bit of play. Some of that has to do with the gears. Some of that has to do with I need to mesh the gears tighter. I need to reprint that part and potentially make it a little tighter. Anyway, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. God bless. Progress is slow, but it is sure sweet. Thanks for Matt helping me on the programming side of things. We still got lots to do though.